Greetings, science enthusiasts. Today we will embark on an in-depth exploration of the awe-inspiring world of fireworks. These dazzling displays aren't just random bursts of color. They are carefully choreographed chemical reactions that transform the night sky into a breathtaking canvas. Let's delve into intricate details, shall we? Please share this video for the benefit of others and help this channel reach more people. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and also check out my earlier videos. Hello, I am Anand and I welcome you once again to Pale Blue Thoughts, your scientific temper enhancing channel. Fireworks have a long and fascinating history that dates back to ancient China. According to historians, the first fireworks were invented in China around the 9th century. The Chinese alchemists mixed together saltpeter, sulfur and charcoal to create a crude gunpowder which was used for military purposes. However, they soon discovered that this gunpowder could be used to create colorful explosions in the sky. Fireworks quickly became popular in China and were used to celebrate important events such as weddings, births, and their festivals. The use of fireworks spread to other parts of the world over time through the Silk Road. The first fireworks, gunpowder firecrackers, came from humble beginnings and didn't do much more than pop. But modern versions can create shapes, come in multiple colors, and various sounds. On a personal note, I detest firecrackers, especially the ones that makes a lot of sound. I'm a person who hates loud, sudden noises, so I stay well away from firecrackers. But I do love the chemistry behind it, and that is what I am bringing to the table today for you. Fireworks consist of four main components: fuel, oxidizer, binder, and color-producing compounds. At the heart of every firework is the fuel, a blend typically composed of charcoal and sulfur. When ignited, this mixture of chemicals undergoes combustion, producing large amounts of heat and gases. The resulting pressure pushes the firework into the sky, setting the stage for the mesmerizing spectacle. Now, the key to any combustion reaction is the presence of an oxidizer, a substance that provides the essential oxygen. Oxidizers like potassium nitrate and perchlorates play a pivotal role by releasing oxygen during the decomposition. This controlled release ensures the sustained and explosive burning of the fuel. But what about those vibrant colors that captivate our senses? Enter the color-producing agents, which are essentially metal salts. The phenomenon responsible for the colors is called emission spectra. Different metal ions emit distinct colors when energized. For instance, strontium compounds contribute to the creation of a striking red, copper salts produce a lively green, and sodium compounds result in brilliant yellows. The artistry lies in the combination of these metal salts. Now let us not overlook the unsung heroes of the pyrotechnic show, the binders and regulators. Binders ensure the stability and coherence of firework composition, preventing it from falling apart prematurely. Regulators, on the other hand, control the burn rate and timing, orchestrating the sequence of explosions that make up a fireworks display. Now there is a firework that I like: sparklers. Sparklers are typically made from a metal wire coated with a mix of potassium perchlorate, titanium or aluminium, and a sugar called dextrin. A sparkler consists of a chemical mixture that is molded into a rigid stick or wire. These chemicals often are mixed with water to form a slurry that can be coated on a wire. Once the mixture dries, you have a sparkler. The metal flakes heat up until they are incandescent and shine brightly, or at a high enough temperature, actually burn. The fuel and oxidizer are proportioned along with the other chemicals so that the sparkler burns slowly rather than exploding like a firecracker. When the meticulous blend of fuel, oxidizer, color-producing agents, binders and regulators come together, the result is nothing short of magical. Each burst is a testament to the scientific principles of combustion, oxidation, and the unique characteristics of metal ions. However, behind the mesmerizing spectacle lies an environmental impact that often gets unnoticed. First, let us talk about air pollution. The vibrant colors we admire in fireworks are produced by metal salts, and when these compounds burn, they release a variety of pollutants into the air. Particles like heavy metals, Perchlorates and other harmful chemicals can linger in the atmosphere, contributing to air quality issues. Studies have shown that exposure to these pollutants can have adverse effects on respiratory health, particularly for individuals with pre-existing conditions such as asthma. The fallout from fireworks can worsen air quality, especially in areas such as Delhi, Gurgaon, Punjab and Mumbai, which is already heavily polluted. The fallout from fireworks doesn't just disappear into thin air, it settles on the ground and can eventually make its way into water bodies. Perchlorates, a common ingredient in fireworks, are known water contaminants. They can interfere with thyroid function in humans and wildlife, posing a risk to ecosystems. Animals, especially pets, are not exempt from the environmental impact of fireworks either. The loud explosions can cause stress and disorientation in animals, leading to disruptions in their natural behavior. Birds, in particular, have been known to abandon their nests, and marine life may be affected by the debris that falls into water bodies. Additionally, the production of fireworks involves the extraction and processing of various raw materials, contributing to resource depletion and environmental degradation. The energy-intensive manufacturing processes and transportation of fireworks add to their overall carbon footprint. Lastly, the leftover debris from fireworks displays can pose a threat to the environment. The unburned particles, casings and other remnants can litter landscapes, posing a risk to both terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems. I support the Supreme Court's ban on crackers during Diwali and Christmas. In conclusion, while fireworks undoubtedly bring joy and wonder, it's essential to consider their environmental cost. Sustainable alternatives and eco-friendly fireworks are emerging, offering a balance between celebration and environmental responsibility. As we revel in the beauty of fireworks, let us also strive for ways to minimize their impact on our planet. Together, we can make choices that ensure our celebrations are not only memorable but also mindful of the environment. If you have thoughts on this topic or ideas for eco-friendly celebrations, share them in the comments below. Until next time, let us celebrate responsibly and preserve the beauty of our planet.
So I have not lit a cracker in quite a few years, but when I was a child, how much it meant. From the month of September, we'll be dreaming crackers, and after Diwali is over, next 1-2 months, we will save the crackers and keep on doing it every day. Let not people who are suddenly environmentally active say, no child should have crackers. This is not a good way to go. All those people who are concerned about pollution in the air, polluting the air, you can do one thing, as your sacrifice for the children, so the children can enjoy. Adults can stop the crackers, and for that 3 days you walk to your office, don't drive your car. Let children have the fun of bursting crackers.